What makes Rebel a rebel? Is it its defiance against limitations? Or its aversion to average? Or is it its blatant disregard for boundaries? Well, we can tell you what makes an ESAB Rebel. A true rebel stays out way past quitting time. These true multi-process machines work as hard as you need, whether you're welding MIG, flux cord, stick, or TIG. And they do it with the power and duty cycle that's always up to the challenge. A Rebel is smarter than the rest and knows it. Rebel Smart MIG technology features built-in arc control that constantly monitors your weld and adapts for superior, repeatable welds. A Rebel goes where it wants, when it wants. Its IP23S housing offers the protection to weather any storm. And its unique 5-handle roll cage industrial design and unibody steel construction let you take your work to new heights. It's all of this, along with the grit and determination of the welder at the helm. Now that's a Rebel. Explore the full Rebel line with premium Tweco and Victor accessories today at esab.com/rebel.